You've reached the pinnacle of your academic journey, the dissertation. But where do you start? How do you structure such a monumental piece of work? In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to structure your dissertation effectively, ensuring clarity, coherence, and academic excellence. First things first, let's dive into the introduction. This section sets the stage for your entire dissertation. It should provide a clear overview of your research topic, objectives, and the significance of your study. Your introduction should also include a concise statement of your research question or hypothesis, along with an outline of the chapters that follow. Next up, the literature review. This is where you demonstrate your understanding of existing research and scholarship related to your topic. Organize your literature review by themes or topics, critically analyzing and synthesizing the key findings and debates in your field. Now, let's discuss methodology. This section outlines the research methods and techniques you use to collect and analyze data. Be sure to justify your chosen methodology, explaining why it's appropriate for your research questions and objectives. Moving on to the findings section. Here, you present the results of your research in a clear and systematic manner. Use tables, charts, and graphs to illustrate your findings, and remember to interpret the data in relation to your research questions. Now it's time to discuss your findings. This section is where you interpret your results, discuss their implications, and relate them back to the broader context of your research. Highlight any limitations of your study and suggest avenues for future research. Last but not least, the conclusion. This is your final opportunity to restate your research objectives, summarize your key findings, and reflect on the significance of your work. End with a strong closing statement that leaves a lasting impression on your readers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to structuring your dissertation. Remember, careful planning and organization are key to success. For dissertation writing help, visit us at dissertationhomework.com or chat with our expert to discuss your task at our WhatsApp. +447842798340. Good luck on your academic journey.